Hello, this is R&R Sports Cars again. I come back to show you this beautiful classic truck, 1958 GMC Truck. I'm gonna show you this car. See how do you like it. Look at the back in the day design, classic design. V8. Nice. Look at this color. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at some information here I want to share with you. So you can see this car, original Survivor 1958. Rare big black window. Wow. Look at the information. 336 CID V8 original wood bed. Nice, right? Let's put this one here. Look at this. Easy to get in. Let's see. Everything is working on this car. Beautiful. Insane. Original wood in the back. Maybe talking about this. Let's go around this car. Everything is original. Yes. It's nice for the people that are looking for a classic car, you know. We can drive the car. Nice size, good design. Holder is for your gas. Let's just turn on the engine. You're sitting on this car, you can't feel. Okay, let's do it. Ready? V8. You feel the power? I do like it. I love this car. Look at this. Speaker is here on the top. A little modified too, but everything is original. The wheels are a little crack here. Your heart. Mileage 320, and everything is working on this car, even the gauge for the water, for the gas, everything. So let me know how do you like this car. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh, I forgot to show you this, the blinker. Look at the design, it's beautiful, isn't it? The other thing is nice. Look at the emergency brake. It's going down all the way up. It's a nice car, right? Let me know your opinion. If you know more than about this car information, please share with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.